Hunter Cabin is situated in the Byron Bay hinterlands, created on a private property overlooking a valley in Bouillon. Hunter Cabin has been a slow evolution with its design. It took us about 4 years in council, so we had a lot of time to think about what we wanted to achieve in this space. When we purchased this property, there was a little shack built up here and it had this beautiful little fireplace. I knew straight away that that was what was going to be the focal piece of this design. When creating the finished palette for this project, I found the colour Bison Hide by Resine and I fell in love with the undertone of that. And so as I was building the textures and the finishes, they all sat on that colour, and I found timbers and render colours and tiled limestone that had the greeny, warm undertone that the Resine colour brought out. The layout of this space, we actually had the luxury of having most of the existing was here as it was, so we kept that and we thought it was really beautiful. And the fireplace behind us, you can see, was the integral part of that existing structure. And the roofline also was existing, but we completely restructured it. Having the kitchen, living and dining in the downside of the sloped property means we could open up all the front doors out onto the view, and it makes this entertaining space feel really open to the outdoors. In the layout, we realised that each room directed a different vista of our property. From the bathroom you look out onto the cow paddock, and then in the living, dining and kitchen you look over the valley into the fig tree, which is amazing in itself. And then in the bedroom it's a lot cosier feeling, and you've got a private little courtyard garden area with another beautiful fig tree.